All right, let's talk AI certifications. If you're trying to figure out which one is actually going to move the needle for your career in 2026, you are in exactly the right spot. It's a crowded, confusing world out there, but we're about to cut right through all that noise and help you find the perfect path for you. And this quote from Gartner, man, it just gets right to the heart of it. This isn't some far-off prediction. It is happening right now. Companies simply can't wait 4 years for a degree anymore. They need people with real, validated, up-to-the-minute AI skills today. This massive shift from degrees to skills, that's your golden opportunity. 700,000. That's the estimated shortage of skilled AI workers. Now, you might see that number and think, crisis. But for you, no. That's a massive, wide-open door. The demand is absolutely red hot, and getting certified is the fastest way you can stake your claim. Which, leads us to the big problem, right? With hundreds, maybe even thousands of courses all screaming for your attention, how in the world do you pick the one that actually lines up with what you want to do? It's super easy to get lost, but hey, don't worry. We've put together a really simple framework to help you make the right call. And this is the core idea for our explainer today. We're not just going to give you some generic top 10 list. We're going to help you find your personal AI pathway, because the best certification on the planet is the one that gets you where you want to go. So you've got to start by asking yourself this, and be honest, what do you really want to do with AI? Are you trying to set a company's entire strategy from the boardroom? Or maybe just make your current job in, say, marketing or finance way more efficient? Or are you the person who wants to roll up your sleeves and actually build these AI tools from the ground up? Your answer is the key that unlocks everything. See, your answer is going to slot you right into one of 3 core pathways. You can lead, making those big, high-level strategic decisions. You can apply AI tools to your job right now for immediate impact. Or you can build the AI systems themselves. Every single great certification out there fits into one of these buckets. All right, first up, path number 1, the strategist. This is for the C-suite, VPs, directors. You're not in there writing Python code. You're writing the company's entire future. Your goal is to really grasp AI strategic implications so you can make those smart, high-stakes decisions. For this path, 2 absolute heavy weights step into the ring, MIT Sloan and Oxford Said. Both are totally world-class, but they come at the topic from slightly different angles. MIT is all about creating a concrete roadmap, while Oxford takes a bit of a broader look at long-term transformation. So let's break down MIT. In just 6 weeks, all online, you get direct access to the brilliant minds at both the Sloan School of Management and their legendary AI lab, CSAIL. I mean, come on. The focus is intensely practical: strategy, value, and governance. And here's the absolute kicker, the key takeaway from the MIT program. You walk away with a personalized AI roadmap. This isn't some dusty theory. It's a real, tangible, board-ready document that lays out the exact steps for implementing AI in your own organization. Okay, now let's hop over to Oxford. This one's a much deeper dive. We're talking 6 months. It's less about a single project and more about learning to lead large-scale, long-term change. They use their unique 4Ps framework, that's purposes, players, partnerships, and processes, to help you think through every single aspect of a massive enterprise-wide transformation. All right, let's switch tracks to path number 2, the business user. This is for all the managers and pros out there who are thinking, I need to use AI right now to automate tasks, get more efficient, and show a clear return on investment. This path is all about practical, immediate application. So here we're going to look at 2 really fantastic options, EverWorker Academy and Kellogg. Think of it like this. EverWorker is all about hands-on building without any code, while Kellogg is about giving you the strategic frameworks you need to build a rock-solid business case for AI projects. EverWorker Academy is pretty unique because it's built from the ground up for people who don't code. It's self-paced, and it really focuses on helping you understand this new AI workforce of assistants and agents. But the best part? It walks you through a hands-on project to build your very own AI worker. And this is a total game changer. The key outcome isn't just a certificate. It's a functioning AI worker, a digital teammate that you built that can be put to work in your department the second you finish the course. I mean, that is immediate measurable value right there. Kellogg's program, on the other hand, is for the person who needs to convince the higher-ups to invest. So instead of building the bot, you're building the business case. Over 8 weeks, You'll master frameworks like the AI Canvas to assess your company's AI readiness, and then create a really compelling data-backed proposal. And that brings us to our final path. Path number 3, the technical builder. This is for the engineers, the data scientists, the developers, the people with their hands on the keyboard, actually designing, coding, and deploying the AI models and products that are going to power everything. Now, for builders, the choice often boils down to breadth versus depth. Berkeley Engineering offers a really comprehensive program that covers the entire AI pipeline to build your portfolio. IIT Kanpur, though, offers this incredibly deep dive into the absolute cutting edge, generative AI. Berkeley's program is no joke. It's an intense 6-month commitment, but it covers the entire machine learning pipeline. You'll master essential tools like Python and TensorFlow, and the whole curriculum is geared toward one thing: building a killer portfolio that gets you hired. And that's the bottom line. You graduate with a job-ready GitHub portfolio. Let me be clear. In a tech role, this is your resume. It's concrete proof to any employer that you don't just know the theory, you can actually build and ship real AI solutions. The IIT Kanpur program is a longer 11-month journey, but it's a deep, deep dive specifically into generative AI. If you want to master large language models, transformers, and advanced prompt engineering using tools like LangChain and Hugging Face, well, this is the absolute frontier. If you want to be on the bleeding edge of AI, this is it. Okay, phew, we've covered a ton of ground. So let's pull all of this together and just summarize these pathways so you can see your next step crystal clear. So here it is, all laid out. If you're the strategist, MIT or Oxford is going to deliver that enterprise roadmap. If you're the business user, EverWorker will get you a functioning bot while Kellogg helps you build a killer business case. And for the technical builder, Berkeley or IIT Kanpur will arm you with a powerful job-ready portfolio. So, there you have it. The pathways are clear, the opportunities are absolutely massive. The only question left is the one you see right now. The future of work is literally being written as we speak with this technology. So, what role are you going to play?